Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I'm aging ethically. And hello to my new subscribers. In my previous two videos, I didn't have much face time, so I just want to introduce myself to you guys. I am your woodland sage hanging out here in my little tree house, self-quarantining. I really like this new backdrop. I ordered this a while ago and I had totally forgotten about it, and it arrived the other day and I couldn't wait to put it up. I'm so excited because it really does fit in with my little like woodland theme that I like to have here on the channel. I post a lot of vegan content. I review a lot of vegan cosmetics and products. I also like to share food, whether it's restaurants or food that I make. Also, my volunteer work at farm animal sanctuaries. I am celebrating today because I have just surpassed 100,000 views, which means over 100,000 people have clicked on my videos and watched. If you take the time, if you find me somehow and you're here in this realm, please do take a moment to subscribe. It means so much to me. All right, guys, let's get on with the show. I am an Italian American from New Jersey, and I have been fond of leopard print everything my entire life. Today, I am so excited to do a leopard print eye look for you. I came across a video from, I'm going to mispronounce her name and I am so sorry, but it is An Knook, but K-N-O-O-K. And she has a YouTube channel here. She's a YouTuber and she does the most amazing, breathtakingly beautiful eye looks. And I just want to, I just want to try this one because it is leopard. And I want to put on leopard eyes. And let's just do it. First, I'm going to start out with some, it's upside down. Sweet. I'm going to start out with some Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I don't really talk about my brushes too much on this channel because I just have like a collection of various, brushes and various shapes and sizes, and brushes really aren't important to me. If they look cool, I'll buy them. Of course, they're not going to be natural bristles. They're not going to be animal bristles. They are all synthetic and, kind of fairy tale-ish. We're going to start off with my absolute favorite palette in the whole entire world. This is the Feral palette by Menagerie Cosmetics, and I'm going to pull this yellow shade, which is Night Eyes. I'm going to apply a tape so that I get a nice crisp edge. Now, the next thing she did was she created a shadow where the black leopard spots are going to be. So she started off with these little shadow areas and then she put the black on top. So I'm going to try to recreate these shadows. I'm going back in with that Menagerie palette, and I think I'm going to take Mariposa and maybe this Canis lupus. One of my favorite palettes, the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I believe this was a limited edition palette, so I believe it is discontinued now. But man, I hope you guys were able to get a hold of this one because it is really cool. So this matte shade Black Hole is the mattest and richest shade of black I've ever used on any eyeshadow palette ever in my life. So now I'm taking this really super tiny little brush and I'm going to go over where these little shadow spots are with the black. I'm going in and just blending out some of the black edges, and I'm trying to leave as much of this yellow and that little orange shadow as possible. It looks like I have a little bit of black fallout here, and I'll take care of that in a little bit. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm going back into the Feral palette by Menagerie Cosmetics. I'm going to grab Alpha, and I'm going to use this dark, really chocolatey, rich brown color, and I'm going to go around the edges, create even more of like a shadow effect. Ooh! Oh, that's really cute, you guys. I'm gonna go off camera now and try to duplicate this on the other eye, and I'll be right back. I have both eyes done, and this is looking pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyes now. First, we're gonna take our little tape off. Ooh, I do have some fallout here. I have to take care of that. Oh, that's cool. What? We're going very sultry with this look, so I'm going to smoke out my lash line and my lower lash. This is a NYX eyeliner in black. The Menagerie Cosmetics Feral palette. I'm going to take a little combination of Alpha and the Canis Lupus. I want to apply a lip, going with Jeffree Star Christmas Cookie. I almost went with black, but I'm not that cool. I'm not that cool. No. Should I? No. How about some highlighter, guys? I haven't used this palette yet. This is the Physicians Formula Gold Vault. You can hardly see with my bright, with my bright lights, but there you go, maybe a little bit. Physicians Formula, the Gold Vault. Shimmery gold, look at that. It's just, looks like little gold bars, little bricks of gold here. And you have bronzer, highlighter, all these really sparkly, glittery gold shades. A gold mascara. What's cool about this is that it's infused with vegan collagen. For a mature lady like myself, that really appeals to me. In fact, I love the entire Physicians Formula collagen line. I have several of their products. I'm gonna grab this highlighter, this little gold bar of highlighter here. Woo! Oh, she's gold. She is cool. She is gilded. Oh my. Oh, oh, oh. Really? I really wanted a glassy lip. So I'm going over it with this NYX Plump It Up Plumper. And this is my Leopard Eye Look that I've created for you guys. I am beyond excited with the way this turned out. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Does it feed my soul? 100%. I do recommend trying this. I think anyone can do this. If you enjoy playing with makeup, I certainly recommend giving this a try. You know, honestly, I have a feeling this Halloween leopard or big cats are going to be very popular. I am, of course, referring to the docudrama, of which I will not name, where there were big cats involved, big egos, and a lot of crazy people running around doing stupid stuff. But my concern is for the cats, of course. And to be quite honest with you, popular to watch during this quarantine situation, but I honestly wasn't a fan of the way that the animals were treated in the documentary itself. I'm actually curious what happened to those animals. I worry about them. I think about it all the time. I think some of them went to a sanctuary, to a couple of sanctuaries. I'm not sure. Perhaps they said in the end and I just didn't wait long enough to hear. The memes were really funny related to the show, I will say that. But all in all, you know, I wasn't really a fan because my heart and my concern is always for the animals. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it was, you know, mildly entertaining. I hope it brought you some joy. It certainly did bring me some joy. And I thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah. You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.